Hi and everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Your next promotion is not just a step up in your career, it's a step closer to your dreams, your respect, and your financial growth. The bank promotion exams 2026 2027 are your golden opportunity, and I am here to make sure you grab it with both hands. In this journey, we will learn smart strategies, master important topics, and tackle questions just like the exam demands. Remember, success does not come to those who wait, it comes to those who prepare. So let's start here today. Prepare smartly and make your promotion in 2026 2027 a reality. Welcome to part 16 of my Path to the Corner Office 2026 2027 series, where we break down real bank promotion exam questions and give you clear, practical sample answers to help you climb the career ladder faster. Subject: Deposit products, miscellaneous deposit products. Question: The annual information return Form 65 must be furnished to the Commissioner of Income Tax on or before Option A 30th June, Option B 31st July, Option C 31st August, Option D 30th September. Correct answer is Option C 31st August. Question: Under RBI directives, obtaining photographs of depositors, account holders is required. Option A only for accounts above rupees 1 lakh. Option B in all types of deposit accounts. Option C only for current accounts, not savings accounts. Option D only for accounts opened by companies. Correct answer is option B in all types of deposit accounts. Question: In a term deposit account opened in the name of a minor whose photograph should be obtained. Option A the minor's photograph is mandatory in all cases. Option B the guardian's photograph may be obtained. Option C no photograph is required at all. Option D photograph of the bank official who opens the account. Correct answer is option B. The guardian's photograph may be obtained. Question: Photocopies of driving license or passport containing photographs for the purpose of KYC photograph requirement are option A sufficient as they contain photographs. Option B not sufficient. Obtaining actual photographs is a must. Option C sufficient only if self-attested. Option D sufficient only for NRE accounts. Correct answer is option B, not sufficient. Obtaining actual photographs is must. Question: Photographs obtained under this requirement. Option A can substitute for the specimen signature. Option B cannot be treated as a substitute for a specimen signature. Option C replace the need for KYC documents. Option D are required only once in the customer's lifetime, regardless of account type. Correct answer is option B, cannot be treated as a substitute for a specimen signature. Question: Under the Capital Gains Account Scheme 1988, the minimum period of a deposit for a single term deposit of rupees 15 lakh and above is option A 7 days, option B 15 days, option C 30 days, option D 46 days. Correct answer is option A 7 days. Question: Under the Capital Gains Account Scheme 1988, for deposits below the specified threshold, the minimum period is option A 7 days, option B 15 days, option C 30 days, option D 90 days. Correct answer is option B 15 days. Question: Under the Capital Gains Account Scheme, deposits made under the scheme. Option A can be placed for an overdraft facility. Option B cannot be encumbered. Option C can be prematurely closed without restriction. Option D, earn interest higher than normal deposits. Correct answer is option B, cannot be encumbered. Question. As per instructions on check drop box facility, before dropping a check in the box, the customer should ensure option A, the check is signed on the reverse. Option B, the special bank crossing stamp is affixed without covering material facts like MICR band, amount or signature. Option C, the check is folded in half. Option D, a photocopy is written by the bank official. Correct answer is option B. The special bank crossing stamp is affixed without covering materials facts like MICR band, amount or signature. Question. The check drop box should be opened as prescribed at least option A once a day, option B 3 to 4 times a day, option C once a week, option D twice a week. Correct answer is option B 3 to 4 times a day. Question. A savings or current account is classified as inoperative or dormant if there are no transactions for a period exceeding option A 1 year, option B 2 years, option C 3 years, option D 5 years. Correct answer is option B 2 years. Question. As clarified by RBI, credit of interest on a linked term deposit into a savings bank account is treated as option A third party transactions not customer induced. Option B a customer induced transactions keeping the SB account operative. Option C an irrelevant transactions for classification purposes. Option D a transactions that renders the account automatically dormant. Correct answer is option B a customer induced transactions keeping the SB account operative. Question. Under the additional rate of interest scheme for staff related accounts, the additional interest of 1% is payable over and above normal rates on option A current accounts only, option B domestic savings bank, domestic term deposits for specified maturity buckets, option C NRD and NRO deposits equally, option D recurring deposits only. Correct answer is option B domestic savings bank and domestic term deposits for specified maturity buckets. Question. The additional 1% staff interest benefit continues to accrue in the case of a person on deputation for a fixed tenure until option A the person's retirement age, option B the expiry of the term of deputations or contract, option C permanently even after deputation ends, option D 1 year after deputation ends. Correct answer is option B the expiry of the term of deputation or contract. Question. To avail the benefit of additional interest of 1% on a term deposit, the staff ex-staff members must be option A joint holder in any position, option B the first sole account holder, option C the a nominee in the account, option D a guarantor for the deposit. Correct answer is option B the first or sole account holder. Question. Additional interest benefit for staff and senior citizens is not available on option A domestic term deposits, option B domestic savings bank deposits, option C NRE, NRO, FCNRB and RFC deposits, option D recurring deposit accounts of staff. Correct answer is option C NRE, NRO, FCNRB and RFC deposits. Question. Regarding temporary overdraft, the stated instruction is that option A it may be granted freely to employees within sanctioned limits. Option B no temporary overdraft should be granted to an employee of the bank. Option C it may be granted up to rupees 5,000 to employees. Option D it requires zonal manager approval only for employees. Correct answer is option B. No temporary overdraft should be granted to an employee of the bank. Question. Under BSBDA small account restrictions, the maximum permissible balance is Option A rupees 25,000. Option B rupees 50,000. Option C rupees 75,000. Option D rupees 1 lakh. Correct answer is option B rupees 50,000. Question. Under BSBDI small account restrictions, the annual turnover cap and free transactions per month are respectively option A rupees 50,000 and 2 transactions, option B rupees 1 lakh and 4 transactions, option C rupees 2 lakh and 6 transactions, option D rupees 1.5 lakh and 3 transactions. Correct answer is option B rupees 1 lakh and 4 transactions. Question. Intersol cash withdrawal is capped per day at option A rupees 25,000 allowed to depositors with checkbook facility only. Option B rupees 50,000 allowed to depositors with checkbook facility only, not to third parties. Option C rupees 1 lakh allowed to any authorized third party. Option D no cap at all for account holders. Correct answer is option B rupees 50,000 allowed to depositors with checkbook facility only, not to third parties. Question. Third party cash withdrawals through withdrawal slips in savings accounts are option A allowed if accompanied by the passbook. Option B not allowed even if accompanied by the passbooks. Option C allowed up to rupees 10,000. Option D allowed only for senior citizens accounts. Correct answer is option B not allowed even if accompanied by passbooks. Question. Closure of a savings bank account before completion of 12 months attracts charges except where the account is closed. Option A within 14 days from the account opening date. Option B within 30 days from the account opening date. Option C within 6 months from the account opening date. Option D on the death of the account holder only. Correct answer is option A within 14 days from the account opening date. Question. DICGC insurance cover for a depositor in the bank covering both principal and interest is up to a maximum of option A rupees 1 lakh, option B rupees 2 lakh, option C rupees 5 lakh, option C rupees 10 lakh. Correct answer is option C rupees 5 lakh. Question. Under the MSCTSB account and MSCAD products introduced pursuant to Delhi High Court directions, the inbuilt term deposit product is known as option A TDS Special Claims Deposit, option B MACAD MSCAD, option C MSCT Fixed Deposit, option D Motor Claims Recurring Deposit. Correct answer is option B MSCAD MACAD. Question. Under RERA-related current or escrow accounts for developers, the minimum percentage of proceeds from investors or buyers that must be deposited in the project-specific account is option A 50%, option B 60%, option C 70%, option D 100%. Correct answer is option C 70%. Question. For a RERA project specific current or escrow account, the checkbook field in the account opening process should be option A marked Y to allow flexibility, option B compulsorily marked N with internet banking restricted to view only, option C left blank for letter activation, option D marked Y only with general manager approval. Correct answer is option B compulsorily marked N with internet banking restricted to view only. Question. Under the RERA account guidelines, withdrawal from the separate current or escrow account is permitted. Option A freely at the promoter's discretion. Option B in proportions to the percentage of completion of the project supported by promoter's declaration. Option C only after project completion certificate is issued. Option D only with prior RBI approval for each withdrawal. Correct answer is option B in proportions to the percentage of completions of the project supported by promoter's declaration. Question. RBI's directive regarding transgender persons in bank forms requires that they be classified as option A category others only, Option B, third gender, wherever gender classification is envisaged. Option C, left is unspecified in all forms. Option D, classified based on the applicant's choice of male or female only. Correct answer is option B, third gender, wherever gender classification is envisaged. Question. In the event of a change only in address, not their KYC details of an existing customer, the self-declaration of new address can be obtained through the customer's registered email, mobile, ATM, digital channels, subject to verifications through positive confirmations within option A 1 month, option B 2 months, option C 3 months, option D 6 months. Correct answer is option B 2 months. Thank you very much for your patience. Request for like, subscribe and share.